Hey, I'm Richie Rich, Senior Full Stack Developer and Solutions Engineer at Futureverse. I'm here to talk you through our example application, which takes you through an implementation of a lot of our SDKs. You can find this example at workshop.futureverse.com. We have a public repo where you can find the code for this. That's at github.com/futureversecom/fv-paris-workshop-fight.
Inside the repo, you'll find a steps folder and a docs folder. The docs folder gives you step-by-step instructions to implement this workshop. The steps folder has the start point for each step. Simply copy the source folder, replacing the root source folder, and you can work through the instructions in the documentation. Step 1 is adding the Futureverse provider and pass online authentication. Step 2 is interacting with the blockchain. Step 3, minting NFTs. Step 4, minting SFTs. Step 5, an introduction to asset register. Step 6, linking and unequipping items. And a bonus, step 7, is customizing the auth online login. So the pass online login and the RNS functionality. You'll see inside each step, there'll be a start example and a finish example.
We'll start our journey through this example. We'll log in. The login is obviously using the pass online, auth UI and auth React packages. See this beautiful customization featuring the lovely city of Paris. I'm going to log in using my MetaMask. You can log in using your socials or any other wallet detected in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see we can mint NFTs, mint accessories, and view our collection. Each section touches several of our SDKs. The mint NFT and mint accessories use our transact SDK, where you can mint NFTs from your pass or your EOA using any token gas. I'm going to mint one for now. You'll see how we implement the transaction modal, where we display information about the transaction. You'll see how we implement minting SFTs in batches. And you'll see how we interact with the asset register to render newly minted tokens and to interact with the asset register to equip or unequip tokens to our newly minted NFTs. Here you can see my newly minted party bear with some SFTs already equipped, and my newly minted SFTs in my collection. You'll see how we handle unequipping and equipping using the asset register SDKs. And you'll see how we handle asset register transactions. Thank you for taking this trip through our example application. Hopefully you enjoy building it yourself.